Hello, I am Vaskivo and I am developing One Way Dungeon. In this video I'll be showing you what the game is about and what is already implemented. One Way Dungeon is a push your luck linear dungeon crawler. The flowing tower conceals many treasures and mysteries. Mystical energies permeate it, changing it and its inhabitants. Armed with a powerful amulet which allows you to harness the monster's abilities, you are set on exploring the tower and reach its top. Let's play the game. The game is currently being developed. Most of what you see is a work in progress, especially the UI. It is a mess. We are currently on the base camp. When we're not in the dungeon battling monsters, we're in the base camp. Here we can improve and configure our character. Let's enter the dungeon. The first level is the entrance of the tower. It has mutated all local plants and animals that have taken shelter inside. We have entered the dungeon and have found an hunting hawk. In the beginning, like a popular mining and crafting game, all we can do is punch stuff. Let's punch a bird. Hunting hawk attacks first. It uses Talon Slash. And we used punch. Let's continue punching it. We defeated the hunting hawk. We learned the move Talon Slash from it and got some gold. After beating a monster, we can choose to return to the base camp or continue exploring the dungeon. Let's continue exploring. We found another hunting hawk. You can see that we can now use the move we learned from the previous monster. Let's see the move's details. The new move looks slightly better, so let's use it. We got Talon Slash, therefore we got more uses for it. If we would have gotten another move, we would have learned it. Let's go back to the camp and train the character. Here we can update the character's attributes. On the top we have all the gold we earned, and here we have the player attributes and their values. We can now increase the attributes, each costing some gold. Each time we increase an attribute, the next time it will be more expensive. Let's go back to the dungeon. And let's try to get as far as possible. Now we're facing a pouncing snake. Let's see how it goes. We were defeated and returned to the base camp. We lost all gold we gathered in this expedition. but we still have the gold that was already stored in the base camp. And this is the gist of the game. Enter the dungeon, defeat monsters and learn moves. Return to the base camp and improve your character. Then go back to the dungeon. One Way Dungeon is being developed for mobile devices and should be available for Android in some months. Until then, you can follow my progress in vaskivodev.gitlab.io/oneway-dungeon. That is vaskivodev.gitlab.io/oneway-dungeon. You can read my periodic progress reports or try the latest developer build. You can also follow me on Twitter at Vaskivodev. Once again, VASKIVODev. Both links can be found on this video's description. I hope you'll enjoy my videos and One Way Dungeon. I'm committed to show new stuff of the game every Friday. See you then.